This video is going to talk about pages, menus, and modules. Our website is made up of a collection of pages. At the time of this video, there are about 245 pages. It's actually a fairly big website. The pages are organized into a menu structure. Each selection in the submenus represents its own page. This allows us to group all of the information for each program or each activity into a logical set of menus. I've just entered edit mode on this page so that I can show you that this page is made up of 3 modules. There is a live content module at the top, which allows us to have videos in it. There's an HTML module, which allows us to edit text. And there's another live content module at the bottom with some static pictures. Each of these modules contains the information or the content that we want to show the user. Organizing things into modules makes it easy for us to move things around and to organize the information in a logical way. Each module has its own management menu. When you're in edit mode, you can see that if you hover over the Manage button on each module, you get a menu of things that module will allow you to do. This is an HTML module. It allows us to edit the content. It allows us to do some things such as print what's in the module. We can delete the module. There are menus of settings. We can import or export content from the module. We can also move the module to a different pane on the page. Subsequent videos will show you how to edit and manage each module type, but suffice it to say that each module will come up with a unique menu system based on what is available that you can do with that particular module. If I enter layout mode, you can see that the system turns off the content but does show us where each module is in relation to the various panes that are on the page. Panes allow us to very flexibly arrange modules in different layouts so that we can get a different appearance if needed. By default, we typically use just the content pane unless there is a special need for a different layout. We're not going to go very deep into it now, but just as an example, on our home page, we ended up using some of the other panes, specifically the left 3 pane and the right 7 pane, in order to give us a view that has sort of side-by-side content. Specifically, we have our sponsors on one side and our content on the other. There'll be more about this later. You don't really need to delve into it. Right now, we'll just use the content pane for most of your work. So to wrap this up, our website is made up of pages. Each page has a set of modules. Each page is inserted into one of our menus, and each module holds the content that we wish to display to the users.